thrilling episode of Biomedical University, brought to you by your friends here at BMES. Today we're going to learn how to program an M2601B using your teleconfig tool located on your local PC or laptop computer. Okay, programming using your teleconfig tool. Your icon should appear on your desktop or laptop. Double-click on this icon and your programming tool will pop up. Down here below you can see where it says connect. First you need to take your transmitter. Tether cable goes into the programming port. We like to load at least one battery because the sequence requires you to push the battery in during the load process. So you hit connect, the toolbar starts, slap in the other battery, and the programming pops up on the screen. In this programming screen, anything you do you must hit the edit form button first. So we'll press this button and you see the highlighted areas. These are the only areas that you can change any programming in. You can select your lead wire, the volume of the beeps that come from the transmitter upon the boot sequence, or right here is where you can change your frequency to put transmitters in or out of service. You just type in your frequency, no dots. So we're going to enter in 608.0125. You add 2 zeros on the end, and this sequence is for every frequency that you would enter. No periods in the frequencies at all. Every change you make must require update device configuration. We've entered in our frequency. We'll go up here, click update config. You'll see the toolbar, the status bar move. And your frequency is now programmed. You can also turn on and off SpO2. Our transmitter is an ECG only, so it will not require SpO2. But in this, if you have SpO2, you can select it, go down and can check continuous spot checker off. This way you can set your settings to what you prefer. And NIBP suppression, I guess that's if that's available to you, you can select that as well. But we're going to uninstall SpO2 on our ECG only. Again, we'll have to update because we made some changes. And down here you also have the option to do an RF auto shut off. If the transmitter is without any frequency for an adjusted amount of time, it will shut itself down. If you do not want this option, you have to uncheck it here and again go to the update. Up at the top you can see where you can upload device firmware. Usually these are preset and they won't require changes, but if you've had service to your transmitter and it was changed, you do have the options to change it. And here is the calibration sequence. You just kind of follow the instructions. Again, you have to start with an edit form, and to do the calibration you can see the instructions here. Just start to calibrate, disconnect your serial cable, and reboot your device. It requires a 40 seconds for the beep. And you're done there. Okay, well this completes the teleconfig tool programming. Be sure to disconnect the transmitter after you're done. Come back to the start screen. If you have any questions, we're here for phone calls, and thank you and have a great day.